Hi, my name is Adrian. Now I'll show you how to find the mass percentage of each element on calcium phosphate. The first step you have to do is to write the mass of each element. For example, calcium. We write calcium here equals to the mass percentage that's in the periodic table, that is 40.08, and we write it here, 40.08 times the absolute number of the formula, that is 3. So we multiply it by 3, and this is equals to 120.24 grams. We have to do the same procedure for phosphorus and oxygen. So if we want to find phosphorus, we have to write phosphorus here, and in the periodic table it says phosphorus equals to 30.97. 30.97 times 2. The 4 doesn't affect phosphorus because it's a single element. So this is equals to times 2 equals to 61.49 grams. Then for oxygen equals to 16. So we put 16 times. Now this is different because we have oxygen here and it's multiplying by 4. 4 times 2, so we have 8 here. And this is equals to 128. Now our 100%, we already have the 3 mass of each element, so we're gonna sum it, these 3. And this goes to 300.18 grams. The next step is to know the percentage of each element. So, for example, if we want to know the percentage of calcium, we write here, for example, calcium equals the 310.18 is our 100%. So what we need to know is here, how much percent is calcium. So we write what we know. For example, here calcium is 120.24. So we write 120.24. And now we have to do this rule. Cross this and multiply it and then divide it like this. This equals to the 38.76% of calcium. We do the same with the other 2 elements. Okay, so we already know the percentage of each element, and this is my answer. But if I want to make sure if this is correct, I sum all these 3, and these have to give me my 100%. Thank you. Okay, so we know that if we put our equation like sulfur plus mercury equals to mercury sulfide with these 2. But what if we have 246 grams of mercury here? We need to know how much grams we need to form this equation, and for that we need the stoichiometry equation. So we start with what we have, that is 246 grams of mercury, right? Times, here we put the grams of mercury, that they are 200.59 equals to 1 mole. Then this we multiply it by 1 mole of mercury. We have mercury here, and we want 1 mole of sulfur. Then this we have 1 mole here of sulfur, and here we have our grams of sulfur, that they are 32.07, and we multiply all this with the up, and then we divide it by the down ones, and this is equals to 39.31 grams of sulfur, and this is the answer of the question.